Hello guys, today I want to share some work in progress for our game Erwin's Time Warp made with Unity 5.6. Currently I'm working here on this China level, this ancient China, and there's a lion statue which is really heavy and Erwin isn't able to lift this, so I have to switch the character to Herbert, the green guy, and he is stronger and he will lift this up. Alright, and what I want to do now is I want to put a weapon, this spear, below this statue, which is collectible by Erwin, the main character, but of course there needs to be a logic that it is only collectible when the statue is lifted, and therefore I have this log property, a bool property, which is added to the base class for interactable items. This is called interactable. Let's switch to this. And if log is set to true, we leave this fixed update method and the player isn't able to collect or to interact with the item. Okay, now let's set it to true by default and put it below this statue. Okay, now it can only be seen if the statue is lifted. So what is missing? We have to add a connection between the statue and the spear. Because I have to set this log property to false from the script when the statue is lifted. So let's open up the line statue script and add a public variable for the spear, which is of the type interactable. Okay, this is a public variable and we will be able to set this spear game object from the editor. And now I'm searching for the start lift method. This is the method where we can be sure that this statue is lifted. And here I set the log property of the spear to false. Then the player will be able to interact with it and to pick this up. Now there's one thing left to do, and this is to assign the spear to this variable we just added. Well, we have two spears in our scene. So let's see if I got the right one. I hide this here for a moment. Then select my spear. And you know what, I will add a label to this so that I can see it better. And now let's rename this so that it is clear that this is the second spear. And then I select the line statue and reassign this. And I think we can start this now and test the logic. First I move with the dog to the statue. Okay, no possibility for interacting with anything. Then I switch to Herbert. He is able to lift this statue. And we can see the spear now, great. Then switch to the main character. And we are able to interact a spear. Okay, let's collect this. Great, and he has the spear, is able to move around with it and to use it. Let's throw this spear away. Okay, nice. And pick up again. Yeah, this seems to work. Guys, I really hope you like such videos to get some insights of my development. The game is on Steam in early access and I added the link to the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you come back soon.